Hey, what is up and welcome to my Rapid Profit Machine review. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what Rapid Profit Machine is and actually if it is something that I recommend you join. So I first want to get this out of the way. If you are looking for an affiliate marketing system that is pretty much all completely done for you, doesn't require a lot of money or time to actually set up, and you don't really want to spend hours and hours a day figuring out how to build landing pages, how to actually build sales funnels, how to capture leads, how to do all of that stuff, then Rapid Profit Machine is probably a really good option for you, especially if you're a beginner or if you're an experienced marketer who just wants to add an additional side income like myself. So if you don't already have a RPM account, you can go ahead and click my affiliate link in the description down below. You'll be taken over to this page where you can scroll down and you can actually click on this button to claim your free Rapid Profit Machine account. Now, once you've actually joined, there will be a few upsells, which I'll go over in a little bit, but inside of the members area is gonna look like this. So this is RPM version 3.0 as of the time of recording this video. There might be later versions out in the future that look slightly different, but the steps will be exactly the same or very similar. Once you sign up and you're taken to this welcome page, as you can see, there's a short video just welcoming you to Rapid Profit Machine with a link to join their Facebook group and then a link to continue to the next step. Now, the next steps are going to be actually where you set up your system. Super straightforward. All you're going to want to do is go to the next step, which is your affiliate info. That's where you're going to sign up for an account to become an affiliate for the actual RPM system itself. The next step is where you're going to sign up for Builderall, which is a very good tool to build sales funnels, landing pages, collect leads, etc. Now, step number 4 is where you're going to buy fresh traffic to send to the RPM system. It really is that straightforward. Everything is done for you. All of the sales pages, all of the landing pages, all of the upsells, everything is done for you and actually tracked to you through your affiliate link, which you set up here in step number 2. Now, the way that this works, again, is you just send traffic to the system, let the system do the selling for you, and you collect your affiliate commissions, okay? That will be in Warrior Plus as of right now, and in Builderall as well. So any upsells that anybody purchases through your link, you will get a commission on that, as well as anybody who joins Builderall and anybody who joins Builderall also under the people you refer. There's 2 tiers. You will also get a commission on that. Now, before you actually buy traffic, I'd highly recommend you check out the link below this video to a top recommended traffic provider of mine. I use these all of the time, and I recommend you test out the traffic that is actually sold by RPM versus another traffic source. The way you're going to do that is you come up to the RPM hub here, go to your funnels, and you're going to want to set up a custom tracking URL. So go here, select the page that's solo ads opt-in, and then enter your tracking code here. So if you're using James's traffic, just type in James, or if you're using any other traffic source like the one I recommend down below, you can put a different tracking code here and you can see which one of them performs better for you. Now, once you've actually set your stuff up, you're going to want to go to the training and product access, and you're going to want to go through all of the training that you have access to in here. Now, this training is super straightforward. Each of the video lessons is quite short, and you can go through all of these different things that are actually come with your free account. You got affiliate marketing basics, mindset hacks, Facebook organic, solo ad success, email marketing. As you can see, there's a bunch of videos in each of these trainings. Now, there are some upsells, as you can see: secret traffic sources, RPM Pro, done for you peace of mind, turbocharger, and the MAB. Now, out of these upsells, the only ones that I really recommend to you probably are the secret traffic sources, so you can get more traffic sources than the one that I'm providing for you and the one that they actually offer with the RPM. And I also recommend you get RPM Pro if you are serious about actually promoting the Rapid Profit Machine, because this will allow you to get twice the commissions that you would typically get. And I believe it's only like $30 a month to actually get RPM Pro, so highly recommend it. Done for you peace of mind. I wouldn't recommend it unless you literally have no technical skills and you have no idea what you're doing whatsoever. This will actually give you, like it says, peace of mind, where they'll set everything up for you. But it is stupidly straightforward to actually get it set up. Now, the other turbocharger and the MAB, you can go ahead and check those out. If you signed up and you didn't see them as upsells, you can just go to optional extras here You can go ahead and check any of these upsells out at any time. Again, I recommend RPM Pro and Secret Traffic Sources. Those combined will cost you around like $37 to $40, I believe. Again, these are completely optional. You can sign up completely for free and get everything set up for free, and then your only expense is going to be the traffic, unless you have free traffic sources that you're already using, which if you sign up using my affiliate link, I will actually give you a video that will show you 5 free traffic sources that you can use to promote RPM. I also want to offer an additional bonus to anybody who signs up using my referral link in the description down below or below this video. If you actually sign up to RPM, go through all the steps where you set up your affiliate account, you set up your Builderall account, and you upgrade to RPM Pro, I'm going to actually send you 200 clicks to your RPM system completely free from my own traffic sources, okay? Now, all you need to do for that is actually email me at the email below or on the screen right now, and you just want to go over to your funnels and send me the solo ad capture page 1. You want to copy the URL. You can also generate a tracking URL and just put something like bonus as the tracking ID so that you can see that I'm sending you this traffic. So once again, sign up to Rapid Profit Machine, complete all of the steps, get signed up for Builderall, get your Warrior Plus account, and start actually going through the steps. Make sure you upgrade to RPM Pro, and I will send you 200 clicks to your affiliate link to get you up and running. Again, all you need to do is email me at the email that's on screen or below this video somewhere and send me your capture page 1 link. I just want to help everybody who gets signed up under me actually start getting leads coming in right off the bat, so you can start reinvesting the money that you've made into more traffic so that you can keep scaling up your Rapid Profit Machine. So basically everything is done for you. Again, if you are a complete newbie or you don't have much technical experience or you don't have a lot of time and money to start building an affiliate marketing business, the fact that RPM is completely free to join and they do offer some decent training under the training and product access, I would highly recommend this to you if you are any of the above that I just mentioned, or if you are looking to supplement your income with a side hustle like I am doing, where I'm going out there and promoting Rapid Profit Machine as a complimentary offer to my list and to my following as something that can make them some pretty decent commissions on the side, pretty much hands-free. Like I said, once you set this up, which takes honestly 5 to 10 minutes, all you need to do is keep feeding the machine with traffic and it will start spitting out leads and commissions for you pretty much consistently. And again, if you join with my link as well, I will also be in contact with you via email, so you can ask me questions at any time and I'm more than happy to help you out. So with that being said, this is my quick review video of the Rapid Profit Machine. Again, if you want to join and get my bonuses, you can create your free account down below, upgrade to RPM Pro, and I will even send you 200 visitors from my own traffic source to your affiliate link so you can start getting leads and getting sales and commissions straight from the get-go potentially, okay? So again, thank you very much for watching this video. Any questions, any comments, leave them down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody else who's interested in RPM, and I'll see you guys in the next video.